reports, he's gonna be down there for a while yet, and you guys are gonna totally freak when you see the stuff that's in this sleigh. Come on!
Well, I guess Mr. Big Boy did just go down the chimney. I'm in.
All right. Whoa! Check it out! Man, I bet this baby can get up to like a gazillion miles per hour. Run! Hey guys, I'm stuck. Come on, man. We gotta get out of here, like now. But you gotta help me, cause I'm stuck. It won't budge. Bite it. Just bite it. I am biting it. I'm biting it with all my might.
There. Hang on, Bill.
Oh, Yo-Yo, hang on.
It looks like this is it, man. What's going on? Oh my goodness, what is this place?
Don't you know a wormhole when you see one?
A wormhole?
You know, a theoretical distortion of space into a region of the universe that links one location or time with another.
Gets down chimney with magic dust and visits every house in the world in one night by using a wormhole. Check!
Easy, easy. All right, boys. Lots of stops yet to make.